You have the vision and the AI tools to create world-class content, but if that content isn't reaching your audience and driving sales, you're leaving money on the table. Today, I'm going to show you how to bridge the gap between AI generation and actual revenue, using a workflow that's been approved by experts, but doesn't come with a steep learning curve. Quick disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research before making any financial decisions. So this is writesonic.com. It's a powerhouse for long-form content using real-time Google search data to generate SEO-optimized articles that actually rank. And this here is the AI article writer. What this does is avoid the hallucination issues of other models by pulling in up-to-date web data. It lets you scale up production without sacrificing factual accuracy or depth. This is the go-to for high-conversion marketing blogs. And what we'll do in a moment is head over to the prompt and enter a blog idea. Here in the content section, you've got the strategies, which is the content creation. You've also got the overview and AI bot analytics, as well as some of the tools and the optimized content. For this quick demonstration of a blog idea, which you can type into the prompt box, along with all the other tools to help refine that blog, you've got connections with the content agents and SEO. So write an SEO optimized blog article titled 10 Ways Small Businesses Can Increase Online Sales in 2026. You can go to our agent and get that agent working to generate this blog. Click on My Thoughts and off it goes, creating this blog. And there we have the blog created in just a few seconds. You can go over this, check it, refining and reviewing that blog right there, made in a few seconds. You can also save and download it. So once it's all done, just save it, give your file a name, create your folder, then save and download. You've used AI to create the perfect content, but if that content isn't reaching your audience's inbox and driving sales, you're leaving thousands of pounds on the table every single month. Now let's get back to the video. Now here it is, with this lovely integration with omnisend.com. OmniSend is a powerful and intuitive platform where email and SMS work together to help you sell more easily. It offers a massive $79 return on investment for every $1 spent, which is one of the highest returns in marketing. While other platforms might come with a luxury price tag, OmniSend offers similar power at a smarter price, being up to 60% more cost-effective for similar features. And what's more, they've just lowered their SMS prices. SMS now starts at just $0.007. OmniSend is free to start with, up to 250 contacts. Now, OmniSend is approved by experts and tested by beginners. As you can see, all your plans are right there. Free to get starting with. We have high-performance automation. Automation is where real growth happens. While these flows only account for 2% of email volume, they drive 37% of all email sales. The big three flows, welcome, cart abandonment, and browser abandonment, drive 87% of all automated orders. 1 in 3 people who click on an automated email go on to make a purchase. So right here you have the welcome flow. Then we move on to cart abandonment and browse abandonment, which are responsible for that 87% of all automated orders. Alongside that, you have an award-winning 24/7 support team handling migrations for free, so you don't lose time or data. This is the powerful and intuitive platform where email and SMS work together to help you sell more easily. Now, let's get back to the video. So we've got that uploaded in there. Now you have this brand voice customization. Right, Sonic has learned your specific tone and style, so every piece of content sounds like it came directly from you, not a robot. It keeps this consistency across newsletters, blogs, and social media. You can upload your existing content to train the AI on your unique brand identity. The importance of authenticity. In an AI-driven market, it's absolutely crucial. Beyond text, you have access to high-definition AI image generation and lifelike voiceovers, allowing you to turn your written content into multimedia assets instantly. All of this removes the need for expensive stock photo subscriptions or hiring external voice talent for your marketing videos. It's all in one. Efficiency for creators. There we go. We've just had that generated. It's easy to export and download that audio clip right there. With your brand voice customization, you can upload your existing content to train the AI on your unique brand identity. And the importance of authenticity in an AI-driven market is paramount. So you can just upload your content right there, continue, and it will synthesize this. Personal voice patterns. Stop overpaying for clunky tools and start scaling smarter. Click the link in the description to start your journey with WriteSonic. Don't forget to try OmniSend today as well. And if you're purchasing a paid plan, use code BIZ30 for 30% off for the first 3 months. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to tap like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.